What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I picked up my first pair of sneakers of 2019. This was actually not planned at all. It kind of just happened. I saw it. It was like my size, and I just had to pull the trigger on it because it was a really great price. It was a pair of shoes that came out a while ago, and I actually had these pair of shoes, but I actually sold them. I flipped them because I managed to grab them for retail, and I don't know. I was just scrolling through Instagram. It was my size. It was a shoe that I wouldn't mind picking up again, and it was a steal in my opinion. So I don't know, you guys let me know down in the comments down below if this was a steal, a deal, or not, because in my eyes I think this was a steal. Yeah, we're gonna show you what I picked up, the first sneaker pickup of 2019. So this sneaker that I picked up didn't come out this year. This actually came out back in 2017, I believe. And like I said, I managed to grab these when they first dropped on the Nike sneakers app for retail, which was kind of crazy. But then I sold them, flipped them. But yeah, I'm here picking them back up, and I'm pretty sure I didn't make a video on this shoe when I picked it up. Maybe I did, I don't even remember. But yeah, it's a black box, black Nike box, but it's not your ordinary black Nike box. You guys can see right there. You can see that. What does that say? Supreme. Black box, Supreme right there. And like I said, I grabbed these for a steal. So let me know, was this a steal or not? So inside of the box, they actually included the tag that was this was the original price the store placed it at. These are a size 8.5, and they were originally listed at $400 in store. And how much did I get these for? I got them for like $160. I paid like $165 with shipping. And bro, these are in great condition. These are used, but seeing them, these were only worn like, I want to say at least 3-4 times max. And yeah, bam, Supreme up tempos in that gold colorway. 3 colors did release. It was this gold one, the black, the all black colorway, and then the red and white colorway. I believe the red and white colorway is going for way more, which I'm kind of surprised. You would think the loud colorway would be worth more, but this one's actually I believe the second highest price resale wise. And yeah, I managed to grab these for $165 shipped. They were in used condition, but bro, look at this. You see the bottoms. Like I said, it looks like they've only been worn for like 3 times max. Look at, like, bottoms are, I just gotta clean them up real quick with a crepe wipe. The Nike Air and a Supreme logo inside is still intact. You can kind of see it right there. And there is no creasing. There's a little bit of creasing, but not as much. Look at that toe. Like, bro, these are like brand new, honestly. And for $165 shipped, bro. And it did come with the extra laces, extra white laces. And bro, these are in great condition in my opinion. So let me know down in the comments below, was this a steal or not? Because I think it's a steal. Great condition, only worn like 3 times. All I gotta do is just wipe it down with a crepe wipe, and we're all Gucci. First pickup for 2019. I say this is a W in my opinion. $165 Supreme up tempos in that gold colorway. Bro, this shoe is very nice. It's very loud. Obviously, it's all gold and white and hits of red, but I'm definitely gonna be rocking these. These are gonna be staying in the collection. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Just a little quick pickup. My very first pickup of 2019. Supreme up-tempos in that gold colorway. It was a steal I couldn't pass on. So yeah, we're starting 2019 pretty strong. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below, was this a steal or not? And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. I am out. Peace.